All right, so here we are back at Copart again. We won the 2003 Cadillac CTS. We won this for a $1,200 bid, $1,600 out the door. The only problem right now is they can't find the key. So I don't know exactly how that's going to work. I've never encountered a situation like this where they couldn't find the key. So I think what I'm going to do is, if they cannot locate the key, I'm just going to say forget about it. I can't buy a car with no key. I didn't notice this earlier because I was in such a hurry when I was making the video. We got hail dings here, here, here. That's a big one. We got a couple more big ones up here. One right there. Looks like the hood has one. Nothing significant. Nothing I think that's going to hurt the value of the car much. It's got 95,000 miles on the odometer, I believe. And it's not a bad looking car. But again, without a key, I can't very well pay full price for a car that we can't start or anything. It's not bad looking. It looks like it's missing 3 out of the 4 locks, the little caps. Don't know where those went, but those are missing. Definitely needs some cleaning. But the rest of the car is that center stack. I'm an expert at replacing those now, so we'd have to go get that bezel for that whole center stack over there. Other than that, though, not too shabby. I think it'd make a good car. I think this is something you could sell in a weekend for $3,000. I don't see why not. 95,000 on it. Yeah, it should sell for $3 grand. I guess let's find out if they got the key for this thing, or we're not going to be getting it at all. Okay, so they found the key. The guy jump started it. I'll get you close to the engine so you can hear it running. She's quiet. Purrs like a kitten. Power steering feels good. I'm not going to dare shut it off right now, but yeah, runs good. There were no lights on the dash at all. Someone put the dang thing in Celsius. Put it in gear. Backwards. All right. I mean, I don't know what more you want, man. I think we're going to get it. We got to get this out of kilometers in Celsius, though. All right, we're letting her run a little bit, making sure it warms up. It seems to be running all right. The air conditioning does work. The heat works. We got everything switched back to standard instead of metric. She sounds all right. Let's go buy it. Here she comes. And there she is. Now will it drive home? All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. This is the part that's always nerve-wracking for me, because you just don't know what's going to happen. You know what I mean? Is it going to run and drive? Is the transmission going to be bad? We got some dinging going on because it says service stability control. I'm not worried about stability control. Okay, it just shifted. First, second, and I believe third. The steering feels all right. Can you guys see the Corvette back there? Probably not. She actually runs pretty good. It's shifting just fine. Boy, that service stability thing is really getting on my nerves. Headlamp suggested. Let's just... There we go. All right. So, speed limit's 40. We're going 40. We have no lights on the dash. And overall, it's a pretty smooth experience. Steering wheel's sitting nice and straight. I'm turning the car, so. But other than that, the steering's straight. It's not giving me any problems so far. Let's get it home. Okay, she made it home. She ran fine. She drove fine. I know you've already seen it, but I just want to give you one more glimpse. Yeah, I think this is going to clean up real nice. It's going to need one heck of a bath outside and inside. But it drove really well. So it's going to need a battery. We got it home just fine, but after shutting it off, it's not starting again. This is nice. I think this is a good car for $1,600. All right, so my battery died. Basically, the end of the story here is the Cadillac. The Cadillac made it home. Got to put a battery in it. Got to do a lot of cleaning. She's going to need some serious cleaning. That center stack thing, speaker cover. Other than that, it doesn't seem like it needs much. Headlight cleaning. Yeah, so I guess what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go run and get the tags, get everything updated, make sure everything's good to go with it. Go pick up a battery so we can get a battery in it. And you know, in the next video, I guess we'll hell, I don't know what we'll do in the next video. I think the next video we're actually going to rebuild the Cadillac. Going to try to rebuild the Cadillac in one video and get it ready to go to the lot. And want to get this thing down to the lot, hopefully no later than Friday evening, so it can go up for sale. That'd be nice. So I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you disliked the video, give it a big thumbs down. Comment away. Tell me what you think of the purchase. Personally, I feel like it was a little high. You know, $1,600 out the door for an 03 Cadillac, and that is not the desirable engine either. A little on the high side, but I think once we get this thing cleaned up, you guys are going to see it, and it's going to look real good. And I think you're going to agree that this car should sell for around $3,000. I think this car should bring around $3,000. So it's a good profit. With that, we're going to get out of here. Stay safe out there, everybody. I will catch you very, very soon in the next one.
We do this day in and day out, and no, we never playing, we stay loud. Yeah, we do this day in and day out. We way up, never taking the way down. Yeah, just stay out my way now, cause we gon' explain how all these nights staying on sacrifice. They were wrong, feeding my appetite. Every win amplified, that's day in and day out with the dig for the crown. Yeah, I'm only here taking what's mine, been spending and paying a fine, both monetary and taking the time, making the dime and spraying the rhymes. Yeah, now we just living the life. Years are just planning to set up. Now we just focus on getting the bread up, keeping my foot in it, I never let up. Yeah, I know we only living like we in another life, and now we getting crazy, that's a motherfucking vibe. Do this day in and day out, and no, we never playing, we stay loud. Yeah, we do this day in and day out. We way up, never taking the way down. Yeah, if you knew what we do, then you might never play. Boy, this life ain't a game, but they try anyway. They say grind and lay low, got no time, but stay home just to chill with the bros, but they stuck, got no flow. Yeah, we just been making the moves, dishing and paying the dues. Still undefeated, I mean it, I came here to prove, but lately I ain't in the mood. Wait, no, we ain't planning on leaving. Ay, you falling no matter the season. Ay, day in and day out achieving. Ay, still doing just what I believe in. Yeah, I know we only living like we in another life, and now we getting crazy, that's a motherfucking vibe. Do this day in and day out, and no, we never playing, we stay loud. Yeah, we do this day in and day out. We way up, never taking the way down. Yeah, you know we keep it way up, I don't see another way. Still riding with the realest, I don't see another play. And yeah, we getting crazy cause we live a better life. That's why we gotta do this every day and every night.